Hey everybody, it's Levi with Pine Knot Family Farms. Today we're going to go get a load of hay for the winter, or actually 3 loads of hay, so we're going to take you along. Alright, even though we store our hay in the barn, we put pallets down to keep it up off the ground, keep the moisture out of it, and keep it from getting rocks and everything mixed in with it. So we'll have a roll of hay and then we'll keep laying our pallets out as we put our hay out.
Back in the big truck to go get our second load of hay. How many bales was on the first one?
14 loads on the first one.
Are you going to try to get 2 more today?
2 more loads a day. We'll probably get maybe 17 on the next one, 17 on the next one.
Yeah. So we'll take y'all along for our second load. There's our final load, number 3. This is what it looks like after 2 loads of hay. So once we get this 3rd load on, we actually may be blocking the door this time. This is just a door into the tack room. I can probably take y'all in there to show y'all. There's no lights in there. It's just where we keep saddles and different things for the animals. It's a mess. But we don't have to get in there just too often, so one thing that you do have to do is keep your hay under a dry storage area, so that's number 1 right now. So this has been pretty much an all-day deal, going to get 3 loads of hay. The guy was probably just, I don't know, 6 or 7 miles up the road, pretty local. We always buy from him, but it's just an all-day ordeal. It's hot, it's in July. We got it done though. Our animals are going to be assured to have plenty of hay to eat on this winter. So it's just one of those things that it's a summer job. As Levi's unloading this last load of hay, I'm gonna take you over here and show you the elderberries that we've got. Now these are just wild. About a month or so ago, they were white flowers, so that's really a good time to go kind of try to find them. we just check on them. And I was just going to show y'all, they probably won't be ready until about September. But I was going to show you just our little wild patch we got growing out here in the horse pasture. Pretty nice little bundle there. And we've also got a couple more along this tree line that we would just have to go and find. That is one of the things that we do forage for. This year, I may look into making some elderberry syrup instead of a tincture. The tincture wasn't very good, so I'm glad that none of us had to take it, because I don't know that I could have actually gotten my kids to take it. But we're definitely gonna pick the elderberries and make something with them this fall, but I just wanted to show you what they look like right now.
Alright everybody, this is 50 bales, actually 48 bales. We run out last year, we only had about 36 bales, and winter was a little long. If y'all remember, it started raining, stayed cold, grass didn't come out till almost May around here, so we run out of hay. So this year we got a little bit extra, more than we normally do. Just we got a good barn to keep it in so it stays dry the last 2 years. We have too much, it's fine. I'd rather have too much as not enough. So anyway, this is a lot easier than putting up the square bales. We've got hay feeders that Tasha can show you on the way out that are actually set up with roofs on them and stuff to keep it dry even after we put it out. And this is really good quality hay. It's all Bermuda grass, no weeds. I got a local guy here that grows it and cuts it, and we buy it from him every year. They don't waste any of it. It's 100% good stuff. So.
All right, y'all, I'm on the tractor. I'm gonna swing back here and show you the hay feeders that Levi built and he was talking about. All right, y'all, we got that job done. It's one of those things that come July, you have to start thinking about your hay and how you're gonna feed your animals. Even though they're eating grass right now, it's not even close to time. It's just one of those things you have to do in advance. So I hope y'all liked hanging out with us today as we went and got our hay. And until next time, y'all have a great one. God bless.